Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram could not upload try again. So guys, when you have upload any story on your Instagram account in iPhone or on Android phone and facing this type of issue that could not upload try again, I'll help you how to fix this problem and how to upload any story on your Instagram account without any interruption. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, after this you have to open your settings here, click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. If you have connected with any Wi-Fi, you have to change your network, and guys, if you are using mobile data, you have to change your mobile data to 4G or 5G. And guys, after this you have to scroll it down, click on general, and after this you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, and guys, you have to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, then guys, your problem will be fixed. After this, you need to check your date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, after doing all these methods, you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and if you're using Android phone, you have to open your Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after searching Instagram, you have to update your app if not updated, and after doing update, you have to go back and guys, check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings here, scroll below, click on general. From here you have to click on iPhone storage. After this you have to find here Instagram. After finding it, you have to offload your app, and after doing offload, you need to reinstall again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser. Here you need to search Instagram. You have to open your Instagram in this web browser, click on login, and log in your account here, and after this you can upload your story from web browser easily without any interruption. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.